Hey guys, a warm welcome back to the channel. Today we're checking out the HP Thunderbolt 4 Dock G4120W, a 13-in-1 USB-C docking station featuring up to 100W laptop charging, support for up to 4 4K displays, Ethernet connectivity, multiple USB ports, HDMI, dual DisplayPort outputs, and compatibility with Windows PCs, macOS, and ChromeOS devices. This is a premium productivity dock designed for modern workstations and multi-monitor setups in 2026. Starting with the design, the HP Thunderbolt 4 Dock G4 has a clean and professional compact form factor that fits well on office desks and workstation environments. HP keeps the styling minimal, making it blend easily into both business and home office setups. Despite the compact size, the dock packs a large number of ports and connectivity options, helping reduce cable clutter while expanding laptop functionality significantly. Now let's talk about connectivity because this is where the dock really shines. This is a 13-in-1 docking station, meaning it can handle displays, peripherals, networking, charging, and accessories through a single connection to your laptop. One of the biggest highlights is Thunderbolt 4 support, which provides high-speed data transfer, stable display connectivity, and broad compatibility with modern laptops and ultrabooks. The dock supports up to 4 4K displays, making it an excellent solution for professionals who work with multi-monitor setups for productivity, trading, coding, content creation, spreadsheets, or multitasking workflows. You also get both HDMI and dual DisplayPort outputs, offering flexibility depending on your monitor configuration. Another major feature is the included up to 100W charging support, allowing compatible laptops to charge directly through the dock using a single USB-C or Thunderbolt cable. This creates a much cleaner desk setup and reduces the need for separate power adapters. Networking is handled through a built-in Ethernet port, providing more stable wired internet connectivity compared to relying only on Wi-Fi. The dock also includes 6 USB ports, making it easy to connect accessories like keyboards, mice, webcams, external drives, microphones, and other peripherals simultaneously. Compatibility is another strong point. The dock works across Windows PCs, macOS devices, and ChromeOS systems, which is especially useful in mixed device work environments. Now for real-world usage, the HP Thunderbolt 4 Dock G4 is ideal for professionals, remote workers, content creators, office users, and multitaskers who need expanded connectivity and multi-monitor support from a single docking solution. It performs especially well in workstation setups, productivity environments, hybrid workspaces, and desk-centered workflows. However, there are a few limitations. To fully utilize all advanced display and bandwidth features, users need compatible Thunderbolt-enabled laptops. Also, multi-display capabilities can vary slightly depending on operating system limitations and the specific laptop hardware being used. Overall, the HP Thunderbolt 4 Dock G4120W is a powerful, versatile, and professional docking solution that delivers excellent connectivity expansion, multi-monitor flexibility, and streamlined workstation functionality for 2026. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more productivity tech and accessory reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.